Well, hey guys, welcome to winter. You made it. Congratulations. It's been a year. Fortunately for you, the winter box is on the horizon. So the Winter Flora Fun box starts shipping out December 1st, and it is the perfect holiday gift. It is an all-inclusive kit that lets you channel some creative energy into a project without even leaving your home. This season, our winter box will be a little bit different than other boxes in the past. We include all the flowers for you this time that you will need to put your project together, but you can also buy as many boxes as you want without pairing them to a subscription. This makes it the perfect holiday gift. They start shipping out December 1st so that you can have a big pile of them to hand out to all your family and friends all winter long. And of course, our beautiful illustrations on the box and the artwork make it so you don't even have to wrap it. It's a gorgeous gift that you can give through the holiday season, giving people an easy excuse to sit down and put some creative energy into a wonderful project. It's a great way to start the new year. When you go to our website, florafunbox.com, you'll see that there are several different buy options. The standard package includes all the products you need to make a crescent wreath. That'll be enough floral to make this beautiful crescent shape. It's very modern and stylized. It'll look great anywhere. Or if you are a little bit more of a symmetrical person, you can always go for the full wreath upgrade, where we'll get you a little more product to make it all the way around. Either option is beautiful, and either will look really great in your home or on your door, on your fireplace, with that perfect wintry quality to them. The best part about dried florals is that you can store them afterward and keep them all year long in storage till you bring it out again next season. So that is always an option as well. You'll also want to look through any of our other add-on packages for special berries or any other accents that we offer to have included in the box. They all ship together after we start shipping December 1st. Pre-orders are available right now on the website. You can go on and order as many boxes for gifting as you want. So go to florafunbox.com and start reserving your winter box gifts today. They will be available through December 31st, and it is a limited supply, so when they are gone, they will be gone.